Empirical formula. This is an extension of the percent composition you just did. So the empirical formula, you don't really have an actual formula. What you're going to do is you're going to divide by the molar mass of the element that you're using. So on the periodic table, copper is actually 64, that's your mass. Oxygen is 16. Okay, so now grab a calculator, make sure you clear it, and make sure that you're using a scientific calculator. Or actually, if you're just dividing, multiplying, any calculator will do. You're going to take that 88.8 and divide it by the 64. Now, whatever number you get on your calculator, you must give me 3 significant figures. So in this case, for copper, you have 1.3875. 1.38 can be your choice there. I must have 3 sig figs. Okay, so now let's go to oxygen. 11.2 divided by 16 gives you 0.7. We're going to add a 0 just to have the 3 significant figures. Okay, now in this second part, you're going to look at what is your smallest number. So is 1.38 your smaller number, or is 0.7 your smaller number? Okay, my smallest number is the 0.7, so I'm going to divide everything by 0.70. Now from here, you're going to take 1.38 divided by 0.7. This gives me 1.97. But this is the only place where you can actually round off. If you have 1.6 to 1.9, you can round this off to a 2, and that's part of your answer. If you had a 1.1 to a 1.4, your answer would be 1. Okay, now for oxygen, you have 0.70 divided by 0.70, so my answer here is going to be 1. What these mean is this is going to actually give you your empirical formula. This means you have 2 coppers and you have 1 oxygen. So your empirical formula is actually Cu2O. And that is how you do an empirical formula. Okay, let's go ahead and do this second problem. Again, first thing you're going to do is going to divide by the molar mass. Carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16. For carbon, 40 divided by 12 gives me 3.33. For hydrogen, I have 6.7. For oxygen, 53.3 divided by 16 gives me 3.33. So here, again, you're going to divide by the smallest number. My smallest number is 3.33. Therefore, carbon is a 1, oxygen is a 1. For hydrogen, 6.1 divided by 3.33 equals 1.8. This would round off to a 2. My chemical compound using these numbers is going to be carbon, hydrogen 2, and then oxygen. This is my empirical formula.